Hello friends, welcome back to new video. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and turn on bell icon. In this video, I am going to explain how to build your simple chatbot program. First, you need to open VS Code in your system or PC. You can run the same program in your mobile phone. First, you need to open your new file and we are going to save this file with the name chatbot. You can type there with the extension .py because we are going to run this program by using Python. That's why we are entering .py. You can enter control plus to get the zoom on your screen or control minus to minimize the screen size. You can adjust the screen size as your convenience. We are going to write the simple chatbot program in this video. That's why we are entering some prompts in the chat. What we are going to chat in the output, we just need to enter the hi and just in the output as hello. If you enter the hi input, the output will be hello. You can enter the prompts as your wish. You can enter what is your name as your wish. You can enter what you want. After entering the user as the username, next you can go through the while loop. You can enter if it is true, then we are going to enter the prompt to take the input. Here I will enter chatbot is equal to input. It will take the input. If we give hi in the input, in the output it will give hello. We need to just open the input bracket because the input we have already given. If chatbot spelling is wrong, you need to enter the correct spellings or else it will give the suggestions. You can use that for your convenience purpose. Input chatbot as quit. You can here break the loop. Here we are breaking the loop and just enter here if else loop we are using in the while loop. Just we need to semicolon and print the chatbot with the user using the user input. You can see the output finally after writing these programs. Please be careful while writing the spellings in the program, or you can use the suggestions which they are giving in VS Code. If you are using any other prompts or websites, they will not give any suggestions. Here we need to enter hi. You can see the output. It will be coming hello. Now I am going to enter where are you from. It will give the output India. See how we had built the simple chatbot program without using any libraries. Thank you for watching this video. Please share with your friends. In this way I will share the simple tricks and tips with you. Please share with your friends and subscribe to the channel. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, hit like button, comment below if you have any doubts and share with your friends. In this way, if you have seen this anywhere in the internet, please comment below. This is the first time I am going to make this video. Thank you friends for watching. Please support me to grow my channel. Thank you friends. Take care. Bye.